Can I confirm from Alice Go? Yung tanong ko kanina, meron akong iwan information na natanggap about that affidavit na dala-dala ni Maslog. Meron akong informasyon. Confirm or deny lang from you. Hindi kita pinupirsang sagutin. You can ask the advice of your lawyer. Pero tinatanong ko lang para mabigyan ng katuturan itong lahat ng sinasabi.
Madam Chair, doon sa question po sa akin ni Sen Bato po, I remain silent po. At meron pa po akong kadagdagan po na answer po pala doon sa na-mention po ni Ma'am Maslog kanina na invitation ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala pong kakilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po presidente si former president that time. Doon sa group picture po, I think and I believe po na circulate naman po talaga siya. Kumalat po siya sa social media, pero that was my first time po na nakita ko po siya. Hindi po, si former president po.
Okay.
Before we continue, I will call Senator Sherwin next. Before we continue, just to inform my colleagues, unfortunately, I need to go up to my office now before 5:30. So, gusto ba ng komite magpatuloy? In which case, I will ask Senator Sherwin to chair in my stead. Ms. Maslog, nung kinailangan ko umakyat sa opisina sandali, you tried to pull another fast one right here in the Senate. Ininform ako ng staff ko, kumontak sa office yan si Dr. Jessica. Yung Maslog dyan sa hearing, nagpunta sa office as Dr. Jessica Francisco, na consultant siya ng Indonesian Embassy, na gusto ipasama ang sa meeting with Indonesian police delegation. Meeting ni na SRH at Senator Sherwin Gatchalian noong September 25. I remember that meeting. We remember that meeting, Ms. Maslog, delegation from the Indonesian National Police. And you came to my office posing as a consultant of their embassy kasi gusto nyong sumama sa meeting na yon. And you wrote down 3 names na makakasama nyo dapat sa meeting. A Zoe or Joe Smith, a Walter De Jong, I think you just named him as your husband, and a Lloyd Sebastian. Grabe ma'am, nakakashock. You know, I thought I would miss a lot, and I missed a lot in the half hour I had to leave the hearing, but I found out something more about you. Grabe. So just for the information of my colleague.
Ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Government, alam mo,
Philippine government?
hirap na hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. For the record, meron kong informasyon. na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi
Sino-
ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor.
O opisyal.
Ikaw, ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No,
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
no, sir.
O ano?
I don't have a
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need General. You are being commanded. You are being commanded to answer the question before this committee.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
if I may,
Yes.
in as much as I want to know the truth, but I understand the predicament of General Macapas. Alam ko kung anong sitwasyon niya ngayon. Kung pwede, pagbigyan muna natin siya this time. Kung pwedeng, alam ko sitwasyon niya ngayon eh. Pero
So you
Kung
are
pwede-
requesting
kung
what,
pwedeng,
Senator De La Rosa?
mapagbigyan natin siya ng executive session kung gusto niya.
Nasaan ka, General?
Your Honors, please,
SP
nandito lang po
Pro
ako sa Camp Crame, sir. I can run up to the Senate immediately, sir.
You will be
Alas
here in 1 hour. May rush hour pa. So,
General,
Madam Chair, Madam Chair.
yes,
if I may-
Senator De La Rosa.
Ako, General Macapas, nothing personal between us. Alam ko magaling ka na opisyal. I trust you. Pero, ang mali mo lang, hindi mo na control itong scam artist mo na action agent. Yun lang ang akin sa'yo. Naniniwala ko sa'yo na wala ka, you are not a party to this whatever yung grand design na pinaplano kung sinong nasa likuran nito ni Mary Ann Maslog. Alam ko, honest ka na tao. Hindi mo lang na-control itong kuan mo, itong agent mo. Kaya, kasi hindi mo control dahil somebody from above you is the one controlling her.
Baka ano?
Oh, direkta ito. Direkta ito tumatawag. Very iwan information ko. Direkta tumatawag ito doon sa Malacanang. Kaya, I understand your situation.
Bago,
Okay lang, Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Bago ko tawagin ang SP Pro Tempore, there is a pending motion, pero rather than put it to a vote, gusto kong itanong sa mga colleagues kung merong sumisegunda na mag-executive session tayo on this important issue at this time.
Understand where I'm coming from and just to be consistent with my position here in this August chamber, that an executive session, we warrant executive session if it's only national security and all. Madam Chair, to actually see a certain Mary Ann Maslog nasabi ho ng Senado, committee report, it's official report, na nirerekomenda ng committee ng Senado ang pagpa-file ng charges sa for the Department of Justice to charge and prosecute in court the persons listed below, Supreme Court to disbar the lawyer named below, Bureau of Internal Revenue to sue the persons named below. At number 1 ho dito, yung Mary Ann Maslog. False testimony, perjury in solemn affirmation as defined and penalized in Article 183 and Revised Penal Code. Corruption of public officials as defined and penalized in Article 212 of the Revised Penal Code. Violation of Section 3B in relation to the second paragraph of Section 3K, Republic Act number 1319 or the Anti-Graft Law. Violation of Presidential Decree, falsification of public documents, etc. Tax evasion. Madam Chair, tapos sila General Macapas,
Madam Chair.
dadalhin sa Indonesia, dadalhin sa custodial. Tapos ngayon, papayag tayo sa executive session. So
Madam
for me,
Chair.
Madam Chair, and let me
Chair.
just put it on record, I am not in favor of an executive session.
Madam Chair.
Noted, Senator Joel. And before the chair wants to address General Macapas, Senator Sherwin, and then
General,
SP
very
Pro
simple lang
Tempore.
naman yung tanong. Nung unang pagbisita nyo doon, may sinabi sa inyo itong si Maslog na i-reveal yung information sa inyo. Ano yung information na yon? Sinabi nyo rin kanina na hindi nagtugma yung information na ibinigay ni Go Huaping sa inyo. So, balikan natin. Ano ba yung information na sinabi niya sa inyo na nakumbinsi kayo na papasukin siya sa loob ng custodial center? Ano yung information na yon?
General.
Your Honors, please. There are statements na we need to further validation namin. Kaya as of now, hindi ko talaga po siya pwedeng i-public dahil
Sabi nyo, General, there are statements that need further validation.
Yes.
Meaning may mga statements na nava-validate nyo na. I think with all due respect kay Senator De La Rosa, na who expressed his solidarity with you bilang dati yung comrade in arms sa institusyon ng PNP. But the overriding sentiment here in the committee, I must impress upon you, General. I am, with all due respect, compelling you to disclose. Kasi ang mas isasagot nyo sa amin, yung naba-validate nyo na, it's about the raid. It's about that raid in Bamban. Ito yung closure na kailangan ng komite at ng ating mga kababayan tungkol sa investigasyong ito. Please don't be the one to stand in the way of that. So ano na po ba yung naba-validate nyo?
Your Honor, please, talagang nanonood po kasi ako sa ano ninyo, Your Honor, sa mga hearings ninyo. Just this afternoon lang, hindi kasi naging busy po. Nag-log in lang po ako nung na-mention yung pangalan ko. Your Honor, please.
Mulat kung hindi mo siya kilala.
Na hindi ko po siya kilala, nabasa ko po yan.
Okay, saan nyo nabasa?
Actually po. Can I talk to my lawyer for a second, Your Honor?
I'm just
You've been
asking you why
consulting your lawyer a while ago. Since we were not asking you questions. Kanina ka pa nakikipag-usap sa abogado mo eh.
So why did you write this word, this name filed on? Anong ibig sabihin?
I think po, isa lang po yan sa mga names.
Okay.
Po. And, Your Honor, I'm sorry po. I don't think I have the right po. Kasi hindi po ako sure.
No, it's not a matter of
Names, Your
it's
Honor.
true or not. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung komite magtitimbang yan. Ang tanong lamang ay anong sinabi? Ano yung sinabi?
Your Honor, I can't. I'm sorry, Your
Why
Honor.
not? Why can't you?
those are names po that not validated, and I'm not
You are
really
not-
sure.
Oo, sabi mo nga, they are not validated. Hindi mo naman trabaho ang validation. Tulad ng hindi mo trabaho no na kasama sa operation ng pag-aresto kay Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor. I
Oo.
know that, Your Honor. But these people, Your Honor, are in position, and
Why
I
are you
don't-
crying, Miss
kasi
Maslog?
hindi po ako. Your Honor, I can't. Kasi wala po
Madam
ako sa
Chair.
authority, Your Honor.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
sabi mo kayo na, nabasa mo. Nabasa mo lang yan. Yung file dun, nabasa mo lang. Saan mo nabasa? Saan mo nabasa?
Doon po sa communication nga po
Anong communication?
between yung certain ALG po.
Certain ALG.
Opo.
So meaning, Alice Go.
I will not, hindi ko po alam. Basta ALG po ang nakasulat.
Hindi mo kaya nabasa yung pangalan na yan doon sa prepared affidavit na gusto mong papirmahan kay Alice Go?
Your Honor, wala po akong papipirmahan kay Alice, Your
Huwag kang
Honor.
magsinungaling. I have A1 information. Alam ko. Kaya sabihin mo na kung sino yung nag-utos sa yung taga Malacanang na papirmahan yung affidavit na yan. Twice ka pumunta doon kay Alice Go para kumbinsihin siya. Sino yung sa Malacanang nag-utos sa'yo?
Your Honor, I did not convince Alice po to sign any document po.
You
Your Honor.
are a liar. You are a liar. Expected naman yan eh. Naisahan mo nga ang gobyerno how many years ago?
Mr. Chair,
30 years.
Naisahan mo na nga yung gobyerno noon pa. Ngayon pa.
Marian,
Yes, SP pro tempore.
natatakot ka ba sa buhay mo pagka dinivulge mo yung mga pangalan? Namatay ka na dati eh. Di ba? Natatakot ka ba sa buhay mo? Ha? At dinivulge mo yung pangalan. Namatay ka na dati. Oh. Ano? Come on, please divulge all the names that you know. Sige na.
And if
We're
I may, SP pro tempore, starting with the word, the name file doon, sa anong konteksto nyo narinig yung pangalan niya?
Actually, po, I think si Fael Don was in Bamban.
Mhm.
I think he lived in Bamban.
Mhm.
And apparently po, Mr. Faeldon and I think his wife also, nandoon po sila sa Bamban.
Mhm.
And ito po, this information actually, in fairness din po, na-mention din po sa akin ni Miss Alex.
Okay.
They were invited to go to Davao.
Mhm.
Madam Chair,
Motorcycle.
SP pro tempore.
I see Alice Go in
Sandali lang.
disbelief.
Yeah, Madam Chair,
So
perhaps
could
we can
we
ask.
ask, yes, as SP pro tempore is indicating and the majority leader has asked,
Yes, aside from
Guo
facial
Huaping.
response, verbal response
Is it
would
true
probably be
Did you
needed.
mention the name of Faeldon?
Madam Chair, ganun po yun. Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me, nag-group po na circulating before. Yan po yung kinukwento po. Yan yung isa rin po na pagkwentuhan po namin.
Mhm.
That's my first time po. Nakita ko po ang former president. Doon sa group picture niyan na circulating, that was the first time po na nakita ko po siya. Doon naman po siya na-mention po ni Miss ni Ma'am kanina.
Maslog.
Maslog. Kanina naman po na regarding po kay Mr. Nick Faeldon naman po.
So
Mr. Nick Faeldon naman
ito.
po talaga nasa Bamban. Meron po siyang goat farm po sa Bamban.
Goat farm.
Yes po, goat farm.
So kayo may babuyan, siya naman kambingan.
Wala naman po kami any transaction pero may goat farm lang po.
Farm.
May goat farm lang po siya sa Bamban.
Okay.
Yun lang po.
Madam Chair,
Okay. Senator De La Rosa.
yeah. Can I confirm from Alice Go? Yung tanong ko kanina, meron akong A1 information na natanggap about that affidavit na dala-dala ni Maslog. Meron akong informasyon. Confirm or deny lang from you. Hindi kita pinupirsang sagutin. You can ask the advice of your lawyer. Pero tinatanong ko lang para mabigyan ng katuturan itong lahat ng sinasabi.
Madam Chair, doon sa question po sa akin ni Sen Bato po, I remain silent po. At meron pa po akong kadagdagan po na answer po pala doon sa na-mention po ni Ma'am Maslog kanina na invitation ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala pong kakilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po presidente si former president that time. Doon sa group picture po, I think and I believe po na circulate naman po talaga siya. Kumalat po siya sa social media, pero that was my first time po na nakita ko po siya. Hindi po, si former president po.
Okay.
Before we continue, I will call Senator Sherwin next. Before we continue, just to inform my colleagues, unfortunately, I need to go up to my office now before 5:30. So, gusto ba ng komite magpatuloy? In which case, I will ask Senator Sherwin to chair in my stead. Ms. Maslog, nung kinailangan ko umakyat sa opisina sandali, you tried to pull another fast one right here in the Senate. Ininform ako ng staff ko, kumontak sa office yan si Dr. Jessica. Yung Maslog dyan sa hearing, nagpunta sa office as Dr. Jessica Francisco, na consultant siya ng Indonesian Embassy na gusto ipasama ang sa meeting with Indonesian Police Delegation. Meeting ni na SRH at Senator Sherwin Gatchalian noong September 25. I remember that meeting. We remember that meeting, Ms. Maslog, delegation from the Indonesian National Police. And you came to my office posing as a consultant of their embassy kasi gusto nyong sumama sa meeting na yon. And you wrote down 3 names na makakasama nyo dapat sa meeting. A Zoe or Joe Smith, a Walter De Jong, I think you just named him as your husband, and a Lloyd Sebastian. Grabe ma'am, nakakashock. You know, I thought I would miss a lot, and I missed a lot in the half hour I had to leave the hearing, but I found out something more about you. Grabe. So just for the information of my colleagues.